how to view basic reports on web. First of all, log into your web account and go to your dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Reports to access the reporting section. Here you can see different types of reports that give you a clear picture of your income, expenses, and overall financial health. Next, select a report you want to view. For beginners, the most useful ones are Profit and Loss, Balance Sheet, and Sales Tax Report. Click on any report to open it and review the details. You can adjust the date range to see your financial data for a specific period such as monthly, quarterly, or annually. Web automatically calculates totals and presents your information in an easy-to-read format. Additionally, you can export these reports as PDF or Excel files if you want to save them or share them with your accountant. Reviewing reports regularly helps you track your financial performance, identify trends, and make better business decisions. Now you know how to view basic reports on web. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.